My video is about removing malicious pop-up windows related to the site adssugar.com. It's a malicious pop-up that basically promotes installation of unwanted browser extensions, and these extensions promoted by adssugar.com may actually hijack the browser. Uh, the browser default search engine may be hijacked, for example. Pop-ups by adssugar.com are dangerous, so don't tolerate them. If any junk extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then, if you find anything unfamiliar, get rid of it. I recommend you to additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.